AI-powered browsers like Perplexity's Comet and ChatGPT's Atlas promise to revolutionize the way we use the internet, but they've also opened the door to a terrifying new wave of cyber attacks. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place to get all the tech news. Hackers discovered they could hijack AI agents with simple prompted commands buried inside web pages, search results, or even images. With one sneaky line of text, someone can take control of an AI agent, manipulate what it tells you, or siphon off personal data, and you'd never know it happened. But now Perplexity is firing back with BrowseSafe, a new security system built to stop these attacks midway, and it might be the breakthrough AI browsers desperately need. BrowseSafe runs on a brand new defense architecture designed specifically for the wild, unpredictable chaos of the open web. Perplexity gathered mountains of data on real-world attacks, built a benchmark of how hackers infiltrate AI systems, and trained an aggressive detection model to watch AI agents. This model analyzes every instruction an AI agent receives and blocks anything that smells fishy. And honestly, it was about time when every week researchers find new exploits. Hackers have used AI to hack other AI, trick voice assistants, and even take over a smart home using nothing more than Google Calendar and Gemini. With threats multiplying, an unprotected AI browser is practically an open invitation for disaster. Whether BrowseSafe becomes the industry standard or not is still a mystery, but hackers will surely try to outsmart it. But for now, this was the step needed to AI-powered browsing not just helpful, but actually safe to use. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.